Hello everyone. Today I will introduce some Windows 10 feature. First, I will introduce Cortana. Second, Snap Assist. Then create a Discover driver. Pan to text bar. Start quick access. Last, remove desktop connection. First, we all know Cortana. Cortana is easy, help us to find information. Today I will introduce Cortana, the other feature. Support many languages. You know, I am from China. A lot of Chinese people visit United States. They can't speak English well. So when they visit the United States, the famous place is the White House. They need some information. If we have Cortana, we easily connect with Cortana. I will give you an example. 白宫. If I say use the Chinese to say White House, the Cortana will show about White House some information. So it is a very useful feature to connect with different language. Second, I will talk about Snap Assist. Snap Assist, because usually we use a lot of text windows to open a lot of tasks. For instance, I have tried to develop a class. I usually want to open the teacher give us the PPT, some questions, then I use the word, load some article. So I think this is the most important feature for us. Next, pan apples to the text bar or start or quick access. I will show this feature is easy when I used a lot of frequently the apples usually in the File Explorer. I pan to the quick access. This is easy. If I want to open the Google colon, right now it is difficult because I need to find the colon. If I pan the text bar, it's easy to operate the colon. I will show you how to do. When we saw the column item, we just append to text bar. Last time, even though we close the Google column, we can click column easy every time. Last feature about remote desk connect. When I was in China, we do some software service. We need to connect with the people, especially people. The office is very distant, is very far. Where if we don't use remote desk connect, it's difficult to connect with the people. We need a driver 2 hours, 3 hours, then can go to customer office. It helped me reduce the cost and the time. The other example, I bought my new laptop. My office have some problem. I called when Microsoft service office service in India. Their engineer just used the remote desktop connect with me to solve my problem. So I think this feature is very useful. Cortana Snap Assist create a recovery travel and pen apples to text box or quick access or start and the remove desktop connect I feel is very useful features. Thanks.